let's just start out by saying crap. Okay, about an hour ago, my son's bearded dragon, Smog, was like going crazy at the tank and wanted out. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna go let him out, close my bedroom door, he can run around my bedroom, no problem, right? Wrong. So I got sidetracked. I was playing with Ethan, I opened my bedroom door, my kid's bedroom doors are open, he knows how to go downstairs. So now we're playing a game of hide and seek where we're trying to find Smog. So let's go find Smog so my son doesn't freak out. Alright, let's show these people our messy house because today's been a lazy day, right? Let's find him. You know what's a good thing? Good thing is my cat does not like the bearded dragon. And luckily she's sleeping. So, let's find Smog. I have no clue where he would be. Honestly, I'm freaking out.
Mom, you know our brown couch?
Yeah?
He might be under there.
I'll look. I don't even know where to begin. Let's see. No, under the bed.
No.
Oh my gosh, guys. Seriously.
He's here?
I don't know where to find him. I'm freaking out. I have lost my son's pet because I decided to be careless. This is what I was doing. Look, I was on my computer and I was coloring with Ethan. And I don't know
Where's my page?
where he went. Ah, go search my son's room. Is he under there, Ethan?
No, I checked.
Oh my goodness.
Where are you, little Smoggy Smog?
I'm super nervous. Have no clue. I'm freaking out, guys.
Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, you know what will Jacob say?
Jacob, why did you take him out and forget him?
Mom, he'll
What's
say
your
this.
problem?
Mom,
What?
Jacob will be like this. Why did you take him out and lose him?
Yeah, pretty much. That's how it's gonna go. Yeah, let's keep looking. This is not good. I have looked everywhere. I have found trash and crap underneath my kids' beds, but
Still nothing.
still no Smog. I haven't seen him. This is like freaking me out. Hey, babe.
Please be in there, Smog. Please.
Be careful when you move things so we don't drop anything on like he's in here. Okay?
Okay. Jacob's gonna get so mad.
My son's gonna be so mad at me. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh.
He's gonna say this. Mom, why did you let him out?
Well, he's gonna say more than that. Crap. Oh my goodness, guys. Maybe. See, he's not in the tank. Not in the tank, no tank, no tank. No Smog.
I can be Smog.
He's a clean his tank. He just did that today after eating. Found him. Yeah, under my bed. Cuddled up and, let's see. Cuddled up underneath there, trying to sleep. Hold on a minute. Let me see if I can see him. You guys see him? Right there. He's found. Thank goodness. Worrying is over. Okay, so we're trying to get Smog from underneath the bed. He's not really happy. Paris just tried to pick him up, and what happened?
You punctured me now. I'm bleeding.
Right, just go underneath the belly.
That's why I got punctured.
No, just slide your hand underneath the belly. You to puncture me again, brat.
How can we tell all these little kids that he's not spiky? Come on. Can I have like an oven mitt?
No.
Use this.
Sure.
Oh.
Move. I can't see him. Go underneath the belly. Under the belly.
Yeah, that's working.
You're not even trying.
I'm trying to squish him. Pop him like a balloon.
You're not gonna pop him.
Yeah, Mom. This is working real great.
Well, try to get him away from the wall. Go on top of him. There you go. Is he puffing up at you?
Yes, he is. Freaking take this.
Why are you so upset, huh?
His pupils just dilated really big. Now move it. I want to see it again. Okay, take him. You tell all these little kids, oh, he's not spiky.
He's not gonna hurt you.
He freaking made me bleed.
Hi, Smog.
Have my phone. I'm gonna be under here a while.
Now he's attached to me. Hey, buddy. I guess that's how you get a lizard out of 5 hours later. And that's how you get a daughter stuck.
My butt doesn't fit under the bed, so I had to squeeze my butt together and climb and scoop myself. And then, even then, I had to like